If you learn web design and app development, subscribe tachtutor YouTube channel.
Dear viewers, you can see this problem in your web pages, seeing this message. And another this message. Don't worry, it's simple fact. This. Let's go solve this. I go to my cPanel. You go to your website cPanel. I log in my cPanel, and in cPanel find file manager. I find my cPanel and file manager. Go to file manager and your root folder like htdocs or public HTML folder. In this folder you can find yes, this htaccess file. If you don't find it, please click the right corner 3-dot button and show dot file. Click show dot file, then you can see this, and it now it opens by edit panel. Just in here paste a line of code. This code where you find? In my description box. Check my description box. Then save please and close. Now I reload my web page. You reload your web page. See what's happened. A large message. Fatal error. What plugin or themes cause for this? In here, Elementor plugins. Again we go to our file manager, then WP content folder, then plugins. In this Elementor, I rename this for test. You rename or delete it, no problem. If you delete it, then you reinstall it, no problem. I rename for test. Okay. Now I again reload my web page. Friends, if you get daily updated video like this, or app development, or web free advice, web free tools, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Maybe my net speed is very slow. Don't worry, please wait. Now we are success. This is my this website, my clients, one of my clients website. These are WordPress login panel. Go to again the htaccess file and delete the line of code. Edit this code, which line I pasted before. Now save, then close. Okay. We are success. See you in next video. Please subscribe our channel and like, comment, share. If you need any advice or tools, please comment me in my comments box.